I'm gonna have a film review about Twilight Saga Original Part 2. So, the story picks up when Bella turned into a vampire. She wants to see her daughter Renesmee, but her husband told him that she must hunt first. So, Bella went into the forest to hunt some deer, to hunt some food. But due to her new ability, she she smelled the climbers who have blood in her legs. Yes, in her legs. But her husband Edward Cullen told her that to do. So she went back to the deer and went to and preparing to attack it. But the mountain later the mountain lion attacked her, so Bella get angry. So back in the house of the family Cullen, Jacob was waiting up in Bella. But Bella wanted to see her daughter Renesmee, but Jacob told that says that Bella will promise that she will never hurt his daughter, and if she if she will be past the test, she have her first memory of her mother, Bella. And but Bella find out that Jacob have crush on Lenny, so she gets angry, and when she attacked Jacob, that clear water was thrown by Bella into the tree, and Bella gets sorry of what happened, and one day Bella was congratulated the family Colin for her self-control, but Emmett say that Bella is not the most powerful vampire. But so Emmett and Bella have a arm wrestling, but Emmett lost, and she find out that Bella was the most powerful because of her superior strength. So when Bella Jacob and Renesmee have landing in the snow mountain, Renesmee catching snowflakes and she flies. And Bella didn't know that Irina was watching them. But 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 Bella want to catch it. Want to catch Irina, but Irina left and go quickly into the Italy to tell her leaders the butchery about Renesmee. But so I just have a vision of what happened next. So family Colin go in another country to help to need help of their friends to be the witness that Renity is not a immortal child. So the time goes by when they are meet when the two groups meet. Alice see her vision in the Vulture, and the Vulture find out that Irina have an incorrect judgment of Renessly. So they kill Irina and they live peacefully. And the family Collins so happy. And a month later, Alice have a vision of Alice have a vision of Renesmee that she will grow a fine woman and a fine wife of Jacob. And Edward and Bella will live happily ever after, and Renesmee and Jacob will live happily ever after. And that's the end of the story. And that's the end of the story. I'm Anurase Kamangyan and saying I hope you like it my video and thank you for watching. Bye. 안녕하세요.